Hello class. Now class, today we are doing an experiment, we are doing a practical, and the aim of my practical is to find out the focal length of the convex lens. This is the convex lens we are having. Convex lens means the lens which is thick from the middle. It is thick from the middle and thin from the sides. Okay, thin from the corner. So we have to find out the focal length of this lens. For this purpose, what we have done, we have taken two optical pins. The first one is this. It is the object pin. We have called it O, and this is the image pin. Let us say this is I, and this is the lens holder in which the lens is to be arranged. So now what we are doing, my first step for finding the value of the focal length, my first step is to find the rough focal length of this convex lens. And I think in junior classes you have learned how to find out the rough focal length. For finding the rough focal length, what we have to do, we have to plot an image of distinct object on the screen. Okay, whatever it is, a tree or a blackboard or a chair or a table, we have to plot an image of that distinct object on the screen, and then what we have to do, we have to measure the distance. हमें क्या करना है, distance को measure करना है. For let us suppose this is your screen. Say this is the screen you are having. So you are getting an image. Okay, एक sharp image we are getting. So you can measure the distance. This will gives you the rough focal length. Okay, this will gives you the rough focal length. Now, after finding the rough focal length, then the next step is, suppose the rough focal length of this convex lens is 10 centimeter. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to fix this object pin. Suppose we have fixed it at 10 centimeter on the optical bench. This is your optical bench. We have fixed it at 10 centimeter. Now the rough focal length of this lens is how much? 10 centimeter. So what we have to do, the distance between this object pin and this image pin should be maintained. How to maintain? So the rough focal length is 10, so 4 into 10 gives me 40, and plus 10, how much? 50 centimeters. So this distance should be taken as 50 centimeter. 4f means 4 into 10 gives me 40, and plus 10. So this distance is equal to how much? 4f plus 10. So this distance should be maintained throughout the experiment. We will not change this distance throughout the experiment. So now what we have to do, first of all, we have to move this image pin, this lens toward the image pin, and we will get the inverted image of the object. So that means that position is called the no parallax position. So we are getting the no parallax position. So now what you have to do, you have to measure this distance. This is taken as V, and you have to measure this distance. This is taken as U. Now after this, you have to again shift your lens toward the object pin. Again we have to remove the parallax. After removing the parallax, we have to measure the distance. This is taken as U, and this is taken as U, and this is taken as V. And accordingly, for taking the next reading, what you have to do, you have to change this distance. That means the distance between the object pin and the image pin should be changed by 5 or 10 centimeter. In the first reading, we have taken it 50 centimeter. Now you can increase this distance by 10 centimeter. That is 50 centimeter. Okay. Now again the same steps, same things you have to do. That means once you have to move this lens toward the image pin, then you have to move this lens toward the object pin, and you can take the different readings for that. Okay, for the next reading, you can take this distance as 60 centimeter, then you can take it 70 centimeter. So near about 5-6 readings you have to take, and then about the calculation. So say the first position when you are bringing this lens toward the object pins, this is called A, and this is your position B. Okay, this is your position B. This is your position B. So the distance between position A and position B will gives me the value of capital D. Okay, it gives me the value of capital D. It is taken as capital D. And then about the calculation part, So we are having calculation also for doing the practical. So that calculation part I will tell you in the next video, which will be uploaded just after this video. Okay, so thank you very much.